What's up, guys? This is Nelson with Black Creek Customs. I want to do a quick video today and show you guys how to install one of our American flag decals on the back of a vehicle. So you're going to need microfiber towel or just paper towels, some isopropyl alcohol, and the 70-30 works best. Some sort of a squeegee. You can use a credit card if you need to, a pair of scissors, and just some regular masking tape. So I'm going to get it started here. First thing you want to do is clean the surface really good. Okay. We're going to take our masking tape, get a few pieces off. Decal. If you set it on something, make sure to wipe the back off because it'll pick up dirt, dust, and stuff, then it'll get your surface dirty again. Put your two pieces in the top corners and just line the top edge up with the top of your head. Tape it up there. Getting straight. Take a big piece, go all the way across, somewhere in the middle there. We're going to remove these two pieces. Make sure it's still going to land correctly, which is not. We're going to have to move it up a little bit. And we're going to do our top section first, so just kind of peel it down a little bit. This is actually one of the reflective ones we'll be adding to the website here really soon. Just want to make sure it's just your vinyl peeling. Occasionally you'll have a little bit of the backing paper try to peel up on it. If that happens, you just pick it off. Just good to go. Peel that down. A little windy out here. Take your scissors, be careful to stay away from the paint on the truck. And get your squeegee. And you just want to kind of start in the middle where your cut is. You want to slowly go up and then go out both ways. The whole time you want to make sure you hold this off. And just kind of go back and forth all the way up into that recessed area. Take it slow. Look it up in there, and I'm holding this top part off the whole time. You don't want it to touch. Slowly work it up in there and then roll. It's about to storm on us, guys, if you can't tell us. I'm trying to get this done before it storms. And once you get up there, push it all the way up. Use your finger if you want. Kind of roll over that edge. Take your tape off. Pick this side up now. Start peeling this off. Just be careful that it doesn't catch any of those little pieces like that. Roll your backing paper back down. Kind of push it down to stay. Slowly pick it up. I always like to leave a little bit on here because that keeps it good and straight. Just kind of hold it down with a little bit of tension on it. Start back in the middle, go side to side. peel off the rest of it. Finish it off. Comes the rain. Okay. Alright. Just peel this off. We're all set to go. Alright, well, we're going to go get out of the rain, so hope this helps you, and we'll see you later. Thank you.